Hello student. Now the last topic of the concentration term, this is called mole fraction and it is represented by zeta. This is a symbol of zeta or x. Now what is a mole fraction? Mole fraction means the mole fraction is defined as the unit of the amount of constituent, means initial, divided by the total amount of all constituent in a mixture. It means suppose you have a binary solution. What is the meaning of binary? Bi means 2. Binary means one for solute and one for solvent. It means the actual meaning of definition is here. Binary means bi means 2, one for solute and one for solvent. Suppose solute is A and solvent is B. So now here the formula, number of moles for A solute is Na and number of moles of solvent, it means Nb. The mole fraction of solute, it means Na, total number of moles of solute upon total number of moles of what? Solution. So Na upon Na plus Nb, same as mole fraction of solvent. Nb upon Nb is what? The amount of the constituent divided by total amount of the constituent. Okay. Now suppose you have number of moles of A is 1 and B is 2. So now the total moles 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3. The mole fraction of B, so there is a 2 and total amount of the constituent 2 plus 1 is 3. So for a binary solution, mole fraction of solute Na upon Na plus Nb, for mole fraction of solvent. Binary means one for solute and one for solvent. Now suppose you have a trinary solution. This is for trinary. Trinary means 2 solute and 1 solvent. Yes, 2 solute and 1 solvent, not 1 solute or 2 solvent. 2 solute and 1 solvent. Here again A, B and C. A is a solute, B is a solute and C is a solvent. The number of moles of A of solute, B, Nb and Nc. The mole fraction of this, yes, initial, A and total amount of the constituent. Okay. Yes, same for B and same for C. Now I have a numerical, a solution has 46% W by W. So what is the meaning of 46% W by W? It means 46 gram of ethanol means C2H5OH, present in 100 gram of solution. Yes, 100 gram of solution. So the mass of solvent is what? 100 minus 46. So 100 minus 46 is what? There is a 54. Yes, 54 gram. So here is a solvent mass and here is a solute mass. So you know the less mass is a solute and high mass is a solvent. So first you consider number of moles of what? C2H5OH. This is mass upon molar mass. So mass is 46 and molar mass is what? Carbon is 12, so it means 24 and 6, 30. This is 46. So it is 1. And number of moles of, this is a water, na? Here is a water, the solvent is water. It means what? The mass of solvent is 54 and the molar mass of water is 18. The 18 3 is a 54. So now mole fraction you find only for the C2H5. So zeta C2H5OH is what? N C2H5OH divided by N C2H5OH plus NH2O. Yes. So here zeta C2H5OH, the number of moles of ethanol is 1 and 1 plus number of moles of water 3. So 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 means what? Just you divide डेसिमल 4 2 ज़ा 8 यानी पॉइंट. It means 1 by 4 means 0.25. So 0.25 is a mole fraction of what? Solute. Suppose you know this is very important thing. Zeta A plus zeta B is always equals to 1. Yes, and how to find? Suppose zeta is what? Na upon Na plus Nb. Yes, and zeta B is what? Nb upon Na plus Nb. So you know the LCM is what? Na upon Na plus Nb, and there is a Na plus Nb. It means what? Cancel out. The answer is what? N. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So you find the same for zeta C2H5OH plus zeta H2O is equals to 1. So you find this 0.25 plus zeta H2O is equals to 1. So now zeta H2O is equals to 1 minus 0.25. So now you find the answer. Clear? So 1 minus 0.25 is what? 0.75. So in the question of mole fraction, the values always equals to 1 for one solute and one solvent. Suppose trinary solute is there. Suppose you have trinary solute, the zeta A, zeta B plus zeta C is also equals to 1. Suppose you have 0.3, 0.5, so definitely the answer is 0.2. Now the total for this is equals to 1. Now here the relation between the molality and mole fraction. So just you learn. Suppose you have molality question and you find, suppose you have a mole fraction and you find the molality, then you apply this formula. Molality means small m, zeta B into 1000 upon 1 minus zeta B into Ma. So zeta B is a mole fraction of solute and A for molar mass of solvent. Clear? So just you learn this formula. The relation between molarity and mole fraction. This is molality and this is a molarity. The same molarity capital M zeta B into 1000 into D upon zeta A Ma plus zeta B Mb. Just you learn. So zeta B is a mole fraction of solute. Zeta A, B for solute and A for solvent. The mole fraction of solute. So A is what? Mole fraction of solvent. B for molar mass of solute and A for molar mass of solvent. So this is a small video of mole fraction. Okay, student. Thank you.